I'll be showing you an effective at-home remedy that can help to whiten those teeth of yours, making sure they are sparkling white, removing debts, black stains, old stains, yellow stains, and many others. In case you are new here, you are welcome. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do consider subscribing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'll be showing you how to mix some few ingredients to make sure your teeth is sparkling white and make sure it prevents cavity as well. The first ingredient we have here is orange peel powder. Orange peel is gotten from the back of orange. The fresh orange peel itself. Just wash it thoroughly, remove the peel of the orange, dry it, turn it into a powder form, and you get your orange peel. So this is so important to use. It contains antibacterial properties, vitamin C that will help to protect your teeth, removing dust, giving you a fresh breath. You will love the results. So half tablespoon is enough. I'm also going to make use of lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamin C as well as other powerful antioxidants that will help to prevent cavity, freshen your breath, to remove odor, helps to whiten your teeth. Like, it contains bleaching agent that will help to whiten your teeth. You will love the results. Little amount is all you need, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of my lemon. I'm going to mix thoroughly. I'm also going to use olive oil. Here is extra virgin olive oil. Make use of any type of olive oil. Olive oil will help to make your teeth sparkling, like it's going to give a shiny effect on your teeth, helping also to pull out dirt from your teeth. It helps to penetrate through your gums to remove old stains, to pull out dirt, okay? So this is very important. If you can make use of coconut oil. If you do not have olive oil, it works the same. It helps to keep your teeth stronger as well, preventing tooth fall. So I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon, and this is enough. So I'll go ahead and mix one more time. Toothpaste is very compulsory, to serve as a foaming agent, okay, to enable it to wash your teeth thoroughly. So I'm going to squeeze in just a little of it. Then I'll go ahead and mix thoroughly. So don't look at the color of this paste. The result is all you need, okay? Mix thoroughly. We all need the results. You'll be shocked because your teeth is going to get whiter, well improved, also helping to protect your teeth against cavity. So after mixing together, I will just go right now to show you how to clean up your teeth, like freshen your breath, removing dirt, whitening your teeth. Yes, for effective results.